Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out. Merry Christmas, happy Hanukkah, and happy holidays to all of you guys out there. Thank you so much for joining the family. Guys, we finally reached 2,000 subscribers. Yay! Let's pop some champagne. Yeah, let's pop some champagne. Yeah, I just want to say thank you to all of you guys. There must be something you saw to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the family. I hope you guys continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can get to that 3,000 subscribers. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I didn't think we were going to hit that 2,000 subscriber, guys. It's been a long time coming, and I'm so grateful to God. I'm so grateful to you guys. This is the best Christmas gift ever. Thank you guys so very much. Well, it is another 31st. I mean, it's not 31st yet, but it is 31st. And you think, oh, I have no idea what I want to wear to the 31st when the ball drop and it's 2024. I need to be looking stylish. I need to be looking cute. I need to be looking fun. So I decided to put 5 styling clothing together for you guys to just have an idea of what you think you can wear. I will link everything that I have, and will definitely be linking in the description box. All right, y'all, without further ado, let's get into this video. If you want to see how I'm going to be styling myself for the 31st of December 2023 going into January 1st 2024, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love y'all. Let's get into this. All right, y'all. I'm moving back for y'all to see this dress in all its glory. This is all pearls. Pearls. It's not uncomfortable to sit in at all, because by the time you're even sitting down, the dress is going to lift up. The dress is bigger than me at the moment, so we're going to take it to the tailor. And then they can, whoa, baby. Look how it just snatched me in. But yes, guys, this dress is a perfect for the 31st. If you have something going on, put this on with the nice. You guys will see how I style it up on the side, either here or here. Y'all will see it. So yeah, guys, wow. It has some little feathers, sprinkly thingy at the bottom. It is all pearls, and you guys hear that? That is the pearl, and it's so a good quality. ASOS does have tag on their clothes. Once you take this out, you cannot return your outfit, so be careful if you don't want it. But we're gonna pop it off because we are what's keeping this. This is what the back is looking like. Do y'all see the back? Gang, this is such a beautiful dress. You could wear this to a birthday party. You could wear this for your birthday. Actually, wear this for your birthday, not to somebody else's birthday. This is for you to shine, to show. You're gonna walk into that room, and they're gonna be like, dang, girl. Be like, yes, that's me. This is such high quality outfit. Like, let me move if y'all can see a little closer. So yeah, you'll see beaded there, beaded on the boobs area. It does have some kind of a mesh right over here in the middle. It's short, and it's hitting me in the right, and I mean in the right spot. Keep my jewelry, my accessory, as simple as it is right now on me. You can't wear pearls accessory this whatsoever. A nice little clutch bag, a nice black tan heel, or a nice gold heel with this gold purse, and you are good to go. Another pearl moment, guys. I hope you guys can see this this dress right here. Like, I hope you guys can see it in all its glory, that the light is not too bright for you guys to see. Well, I can't get it right. It was me and my daughter in here trying to get it straightened, but we did our best back there. The dress is bigger than me, so let's just say that I did get this also in a size 10. I should have just gotten an 8, but I didn't know how it was going to fit me. I told you guys that I'm a size 8 through and through. But baby, this is another beautiful pearl situation outfit. Like, what? In this video, the styling guys are going to stay on the side. Most of my accessories are going to stay the same. Don't feel like putting things, changing things. Put your hair on the side right here, or put it up. Put your coat on top of this if you have fur. Go ahead and do you, boo-boo. I don't have one. I don't even have a fake one, okay? But yeah, this is so cute. But one thing is, it makes noise. Y'all hear that? It makes a lot of noise. So if you are walking and you are jiggling, this gonna make a lot of noise. They're gonna be like, that's that lady. That lady that she jiggles. But baby, this is so freaking cute. This is what it looks like up close and personal. Love it. Love it. The cutout, the detail. I bet this is handmade. I bet this is handmade. You, like I told you guys, you ain't gotta wear it on the 31st. You could keep this outfit for your birthday coming up. You could keep this outfit for your boyfriend, your ex-boyfriend's wedding. Okay, I'm just saying, like, don't say Miss Tito is being messy. No, she ain't being messy. I'm just saying, like, it's their hot house. Eat it out. Don't worry about nobody, boo-boo. It's all about you, okay? But yeah, this is freaking cute. Oil yourself down, plus put some glitter, you know, on the collage, you know, put it right there on your shoulder, in the middle of the cleavage, and on your back, and you and the ball gonna be dropping on the 31st, baby. This is freaking cute though. Okay, y'all, this is more for if you don't want to be extra, okay? I like to be extra. Anywhere I go, I like to be extra. This is still a little bit extra, but simple. You feel me? This top, everything I'm wearing is from Fashionable. This top right here is a feather. And I did myself on this one. I got a large. I should have gotten a small actually, because damn, look at all the extra room that is still here. But anyway, we still gonna rock this. I'm gonna fill it on the side. I'm gonna fix it on the side by myself, and I should be able to rock this. But for the 31st though, this is gonna be so freaking cute. The faux leather is like all the way down to the floor. It is so freaking cute. This is what the back is looking like. I think this is more for the, I want to be cute, but I still want to be chill. You feel me? I don't want people to know that I'm in the room until it is 12:59. That's what this is. Until it is 12:59. A minute to 1, a minute to 2024. That's when I'm going to just strut my thing. I'm just going to be like, I'm here. Y'all think I wasn't coming? I'm here, boo-boo. I'm here. Okay? This is well made fashion over. This is so freaking cute. I like the different style this is. I don't know why, but this is just giving me baba boom boom. If you have big titties, this gonna cover you. You ain't need no bra. Nothing mean that I don't like to wear bra anyway. This is still gonna cover me up. This is freaking cute. Like I said, everything that I have on will definitely be linked in the description box. Yes, guys, this is so freaking cute. I freaking love this. The simplicity of this, everything about it is giving me chef kiss. Chef kiss. You could leave your hair straight, curly, bone straight. You could curl it a little bit. You could use curly hair. Okay, ma'am, respect yourself. But one thing, if you are eating and you're a messy eater, don't worry. Nobody will know. The feathers will be catching the food. I need to stop. The feather will be catching all your crumbs. That's what the feather is for. But baby, we love this. This is just simple for the conservative. You just want to, like I said, just want to come in when it's time and show up when it's time. another pearl situation. I just feel like this outfit from ASOS, boo, check them out and stuff like that. This kind of outfit you have in your closet for years. Let's get into this one right here, guys. Another pearl moment. I didn't even know I was a pearl girl until now. Okay, y'all, don't come for me. I can't zip it. My hand can't get all the way over there, so I couldn't zip it up. So this is what the back is looking like. We just love the thingy water wave situation going on. I love the contrast with this, whatever color this is, with the black. Has gold. You could wear this with silver. I tried it. Y'all was sitting started with silver, but my accessory is gonna stay. You feel me? Gonna stay gold. So we're gonna do mixed metal on this one. I'm gonna put on, y'all will sit on the side. I put on a silver shoe, and then I carried a silver purse, and my accessories stay gold, which I think it goes perfectly well with this, because right here it's like white silver situation, and then there's gold pearl. So like I said, there are ints of silver and then ints of gold with this outfit. You could do all black too with this. You could mix metal with this. I think it's gonna be fire. And then my heart and this outfit matches. This hair is from Beauty Forever. I'm a Beauty Forever hair. I'm gonna link it in the description box just in case you're interested in a gradient of brown and gray. I love gray hair. Let me tell you, I love gray hair. I've been trying to dye my hair gray for the longest, and I saw this. Oh, Instagram is not gonna be the death of me, because I saw this on Instagram. I was like, I have to get it. So I went ahead, I ordered it, and it came. I just put this hair on yesterday, and baby, I even pat myself on the back because I was able to lay this hair. This is the best hair I've ever laid in my life. Okay, this hair is laid. It's stuck. You ain't going nowhere. You could do mixed metal with this. I think it would be good. You could put your hair up in a bun. You could do any style you want with this. I think it will work. This is such a beautiful dress, honestly. For my 31st. If I was going anywhere on the 31st, trust me, I'll be wearing one of these dresses. But I ain't going nowhere but church. There are some people who likes to be comfortable. Ain't nothing wrong with that, okay? So I'm here again with this nice, beautiful orange two-piece right here from Chic Couture online. They are on Instagram. I find them on Instagram. Their outfit has been good to me, really good. A little bit expensive, but the quality of their outfit is A1. I brought you this two-piece right over here. It is pretty long. I love it. I feel like this is cute. Texas, Florida, I think California, or all of the warm state, you could get away with this. Wearing it just like this, you feel me? You could get away with it. But in the East Coast, don't try this. New York, don't try this, because your ass gonna freeze to death. A hypothermia is a real thing. To me, I will be covering up, okay? There's too much going on, and I'm prone to get cold real quick. So orange and green goes together. So this is exactly how I'm gonna wear this. And one thing is, I ain't going outside. I ain't going nowhere that I know it's going to be too cold. So we're just going to pop this little green that has black jacquard blazer on top of this, okay? And then we're going to wear a nice black shoe and a nice black purse, and we are good to go. No jewelry. You could add any jewelry, beautiful gold, silver, whichever one you like. Would definitely go with this outfit. This is really cute. I love the vibrancy of this outfit. Like, what? I got the orange on the inside, and then I got the lime green and so on the outside. I think it's so cute, and the pant is so freaking long, boo-boo. I love this. I love this. I really, really do. Oh my gosh. I look cute. Okay, this is more of a bonus, okay? This is more for bonus. This is more for you ain't going nowhere, you just home, you want to chill, you can't be bothered on the 31st, you just want to be alone with your cup of wine and your tea and watch a good movie and watch the ball drop on your TV. Just some casual. So this is from Fancy Home Body. I will also link it in the description box for you guys. So this is something comfy. Just because you're home, just because you're chilling at home don't mean you got to be looking raggedy. You feel me? You could still get your makeup done, you could still get your hair done, and just sit in your house with a cup of wine, with a couple of your friends, your family, your husband, your kids, whatever. You still got to look cute. So I busted this out. But yeah, you could put some casual. Like I told you guys, this is from Fancy Home Body. Really cute, comfy, soft material. I love it, and I love this color. It's like a peachy brown color situation, and it's pretty long all the way down. So, and you could put like a nice cardigan on top of this, and just, you know, with your socks on and just chill in your house. You're right. So if you are that kind of person, you also still got options. You feel me? I've shown you guys 5 classic cute little outfits you could wear, but this one I just feel like it embodies me. Let me just tell y'all, this embodies me, because if I ain't going nowhere, I ain't got nothing to do, this is exactly what I would just put on in my house and just chill, pray, dance with my kids, pray with my kids, hang out with my husband and stuff like that. So yeah, this is it. All right, y'all. Okay guys, I hope you guys see something that you like. I hope you guys see something that your girlfriend or any woman in your life will love to wear on the 31st, for them to, you know, for the ball to drop, to jump into. Like I said, everything that I have on will definitely be linked in the description box, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out. Thank you guys so very much once again for 2,000 subscribers. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart so very much. All right guys, until next time, remember to live your life like the one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah. Until next time.